One word substitution. One who has become dependent on something or drugs is called addict यानी नशेड़ी. फियर ऑफ बीइंग एनक्लोज्ड इन अ स्मॉल क्लोज्ड स्पेस यानी ये होता है क्लस्ट्रोफोबिया यानी छोटी जगह में होने वाला अत्यधिक डर. कॉल अपॉन गॉड और एनी अदर पावर फॉर हेल्प और प्रोटेक्शन होता है इन्वोकेशन यानी कि आवाहन. सीवियरली अब्यूजिव राइटिंग इन जर्नल्स मतलब होता है स्क्रूलियस यानी कि अभद्र लेख. अ पर्सन हु अपोजेज वॉर और यूजेस ऑफ मिलिट्री फोर्स इज कॉल्ड पैसिफिस्ट यानी शांतिवादी. वन नॉट कंसर्न्ड विद राइट और रॉन्ग इज कॉल्ड अमोरल यानी कि नीतिहीन. समथिंग नो लॉन्गर इन यूज इज कॉल्ड ऑब्सोलेट यानी अप्रचलित. स्टीलथली डन इज कॉल्ड स्पुरेंचुअस यानी कि गुप्त. वर्ड्स रिटन ऑन अ टॉम्ब इज कॉल्ड एपिटाफ यानी समाधि लेख. अ पर्सन विद अ लॉन्ग एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एनी ऑक्यूपेशन इज कॉल्ड वेटेरन यानी अनुभवी व्यक्ति. समथिंग कैपेबल ऑफ बीइंग डन इज कॉल्ड फिजिबल यानी कि संभव. अ पर्सन कमिंग टू अ फॉरेन टू सेटल देयर इज कॉल्ड इमिग्रांट यानी अप्रवासी. एनीथिंग विच इज नो लॉन्गर इन यूज इज कॉल्ड ऑब्सोलेट यानी कि अप्रचलित. अ पर्सन हु इज अनएबल टू पे डेब्ट्स इज कॉल्ड इंसॉल्वेंट यानी दिवालिया. A short poem or speech addressed to the spectators after the conclusion of drama is called epilogue यानी उपसंहार. Act of deceiving somebody in order to make money is called fraud यानी धोखेबाज. Flat metal or porcelain plate fixed on a wall as an ornament or memorial is called plaque यानी प्लेट की दीवार में सजाना. टू कट समथिंग इनटू टू पीसेज इज कॉल्ड सेवियर SEVER यानी कि काटना. सक्सेशन ऑफ रूलर्स बिलोंगिंग टू वन फैमिली इज कॉल्ड डायनेस्टी यानी कि राजवंश. टू सीज कंट्रोल ऑफ अ व्हीकल इन ऑर्डर टू फोर्स इट टू गो टू अ न्यू डेस्टिनेशन और डिमांड समथिंग इज कॉल्ड हाईजैक यानी अपहरण करना. लास्टिंग ओनली फॉर अ मोमेंट इज कॉल्ड मोमेंटरी यानी कि क्षणिक. वन हु इज इनडिफरेंट टू प्लेजर एंड पेन इज कॉल्ड स्टोइक यानी कि उदासीन. द प्रैक्टिस और आर्ट ऑफ चूजिंग कुकिंग एंड ईटिंग फूड इज कॉल्ड गैस्ट्रोनॉमी यानी कि पाक कला. किलिंग ऑफ अ चाइल्ड इज कॉल्ड इन्फेंटिसाइड यानी शिशु हत्या. वन हु बिलीव्स इन ऑफरिंग इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू विमेन इन ऑल स्पेयर्स इज कॉल्ड फेमिनिस्ट यानी महिलावादी. One who studies election trend by means of opinion polls is called psephologist यानी कि चुनावी विश्लेषक. A doctor who treats children is called pediatrician यानी कि शिशु रोग विशेषज्ञ. One who can think about the future with imagination and wisdom is called visionary यानी कि स्वप्नदर्शी. Give and receive mutually is called reciprocate यानी कि लेना देना. A building where an audience sits is called auditorium यानी कि सभागार. The first model of a new device is called prototype यानी प्रतिकृति. Tough tissues in joints is called ligaments यानी कि जोड़. The study of maps is called cartography यानी मानचित्रकारी. A person who breaks into houses in order to steal is called burglar यानी कि चोर या सेंधमार. द स्टडी ऑफ ओरिजिन एंड हिस्ट्री ऑफ वर्ड्स इज कॉल्ड एटोमोलॉजी यानी कि शब्दों के उद्गम का शास्त्र. वन हु कैन वॉक ऑन रोप्स इज कॉल्ड फन फनाम्बुलिस्ट यानी कि रस्सी पर चलने वाला. बिलोंगिंग टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज कॉल्ड कॉस्मोपोलिटन सर्वत्रवासी. वन हु हेट्स मैनकाइंड इज कॉल्ड मिसांथ्रोपी मनुष्य द्रोही. One who goes to settle in another country is called immigrant pravasi. Consent efforts to achieve something is called perseverance यानी कि धैर्य. A person who believes in total abolition of war is called pacifist यानी शांतिवादी. A four-footed animal is called quadruped यानी चार पैरों वाला जानवर. रेडी टू बिलीव एनीथिंग इज कॉल्ड क्रेडुलस यानी विश्रम्भी। डेट विच लास्ट फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिटरी यानी क्षणिक। इंडिफरेंस टू प्लेजर और पेन इज कॉल्ड स्टोसिज्म यानी भावहीन। अ बॉडी ऑफ persons appointed to hear evidence or judge and give their verdict is called jury यानी कि निर्णायक समिति। The essential or charismatic customs, habits, and conventions of a society or community is called mores यानी रीति रिवाज। A system of government in which only one political party is allowed is called totalitarianism यानी सर्वसत्तावाद। One who collects coins is called numismatics यानी मुद्रा शास्त्री। Violation of something holy or sacred is called sacrilege यानी अपवित्रीकरण। A broad road, a broad road bordered with trees is called boulevard यानी मुख्य मार्ग। Animals who live in herds is called gregarious यानी संघचारी। The murder of parents or near to relative is called parricide यानी पितृ हत्या। A mild or indirect expansion substituted for an offensive or harsh one is called euphemism यानी कि मंगल भाषी। One who believes in no government and therefore incites disorder in a state is called anarchist यानी अराजकतावादी। One who secretly listens to talks of others is called a eavesdropper यानी छिपकर बातें सुनने वाला। Science of diseases is called pathology यानी विकृत विज्ञान। One who is beyond reforms is called incorrigible यानी असंशोधनीय। Concluding part of a literary work is called epilogue यानी उपसंहार। The act of killing whole group of a people, especially a whole race, is called genocide यानी जाति संहार। One who stays away from school without permission is called truant यानी कामचोर। A person without training or experience in a skill or subject is called novice यानी कि नौसिखिया। Dissection of a dead body to find the cause of the death is called autopsy यानी कि शव परीक्षण। The study of religion and religious ideas and beliefs is called theology in धर्मशास्त्र। One who is indifferent to pain and pleasure is called stoic यानी उदासीन। A place where Jews worship according to their religion is called synagogue यानी कि यहूदी उप स्नान गृह। An area of land that is controlled by a ruler is called dominion यानी कि अधिराज्य। One who is greedy is called voracious यानी कि लालची। Simple fast spreading plant without flowers or leaves which can often cause disease is called fungus यानी फफूंद। Dry weather with no rainfall is called drought यानी अकाल। Too much official formality is called red tapeism यानी लाल फीताशाही। Living together of a man and women without being married to each other is called concubinage. A place where government public records are kept is called archive यानी लेखागार। A place where all religions are honored is called secular यानी धर्मनिरपेक्ष। Excessive preconception with one's health is called hypochondria यानी रोग भ्रमी। Without risk of punishment is called impunity यानी दंड मुक्ति। Deep in thought is called pensive यानी कि विचार मगन। A jocular person who is full of amusing anecdotes is called wag यानी मस्खरा। A sly look that is lustful is called leer यानी कि बुरी नज़र से देखना। Irresistible craving for alcoholic drinks is called dipsomania यानी कि शराब की लत। A hater of mankind is called misanthropy यानी मनुष्य द्रोही। A remedy for all diseases is called panacea यानी कि रामबाण। Something that is poisonous and unhealthy is called toxic यानी विषाक्त। The worship of idols or images is called idolatry यानी मूर्ति पूजा। A place where nuns live and work is called convent यानी विहार। Violation of something holy and sacred is called sacrilege यानी अपवित्रीकरण। One who destroys images or attacks popular beliefs is called iconoclast यानी मूर्ति भंजक. Feeding on food made of both plant and flesh is called omnivorous यानी सर्वभक्षी. A woman having more than one husband at the same time is called polyandry यानी बहुपति प्रथा. A den for small animals is called hutch HUTCH यानी गुफा. To take back, withdraw or renounce is called recant यानी फिर जाना. The habit of always admiring oneself is called narcissism यानी अहंकार. One who intervenes between two or more parties to settle difference is called intermediary यानी कि मध्यस्थ. One who deserts his principle of beliefs is called renegade मतलब पाखंडी. Property handed down after the death of a person is called inheritance यानी विरासत. One who breaks the established traditions and images is called iconoclast मूर्ति भंजक. One who believes that gaining pleasure is the most important thing in the life is called a hedonist यानी सुखवादी. Building in which a dead body is kept of a time is called mortuary यानी शवगार. Experts in the scientific study of birds is called ornithology यानी पक्षी विज्ञान. Placing a thing beside another is called juxtapose यानी निकट रखना. One who does not follow the usual way of life is called bohemian यानी रूढ़ि मुक्त. The first public speech delivered by a person is called maiden speech यानी सर्वप्रथम भाषण. Wild and noisy disorder is called pandemonium यानी कोलाहल. General view of person's character is called profile यानी वर्णन. A person who is in his sensitive 70s is called septenagonian यानी कि 70 वर्ष की आयु वाला व्यक्ति. Study of insects is called entomology यानी कीट विज्ञान. Military waking up singles in the morning is called revel यानी जगान का विगुल. The sound of the funeral bell is called knell KNN यानी शोक सूचक घंटे की ध्वनि. One who has obstinate and narrow religious views is called bigot यानी कट्टर. One who loves books is called bibliophile यानी पुस्तक प्रेमी. A short poem or speech addressed to the spectators after the conclusion of a drama is called epilogue यानी उपसंहार. Causing or ending in death is called fatal यानी घातक. A group of girls is called BEVY यानी कि स्त्रियों का दल या झुंड. Belief that war and violence are the unjustified is called pacifism यानी कि शांतिवादी. A wall built to prevent the sea or a river from flooding an area is called dike यानी तटबंध. A specialist who tests eyesight is called optometrist यानी आंखों का विशेषज्ञ. Commencement of adjacent words with the same letter is called alliteration यानी अनुप्रास. One who walks in sleep is called somnambulist यानी निद्राचारी. A government by officials is called bureaucracy नौकरशाही. Of very bad morals characterized by debasement or degeneration is called depraved यानी चरित्रहीनता. Body of human being or animal emblemed for burial is called mummy यानी पुराना परिरक्षित शव. Something which cannot be believed is called incredible अविश्वसनीय. A method which never fails is called infallible यानी अचूक. A place where birds are kept is called aviary यानी पक्षी गृह. The abandonment of one's country and causes is called defection यानी धर्म त्याग. Treatment by means of exercise and massage is called psychotherapy यानी कि भौतिक चिकित्सा फिजियोथेरेपी. Bitter and violent attacks in words against someone or something is called diatribe यानी कि निंदा. Motion of heads, hands, etc. as a mode of expression indicating attitude is called gesture यानी कि हाव भाव. To be biased against someone or something is called prejudice यानी पूर्वाग्रह. A person who never takes alcoholic drinks is called teetotaler यानी पूर्णतः मद त्यागी. A tank where fish or water plants are kept is called aquarium यानी मछली घर. A person devoted to sensual enjoyment, especially that derived from food, fine food and drink, is called Epicurean यानी भोगवादी. Inability to sleep is called insomnia यानी कि निद्रा भाव. One who believes in giving equal opportunity to women in all fields is called feminist यानी महिलावादी. To have a very high opinion about oneself is called conceited यानी अहंकारवादी. Place of burial is called cemetery यानी कब्रिस्तान. A, pray, a person who is always hopeful and looks upon the bright side of the things is called optimist यानी आशावादी. An occasion of great importance is called momentous यानी महत्वपूर्ण. Government by ruler who has unlimited power is called autocracy and एकतंत्र. One who journeys from place to place is called itinerant यानी कि भ्रमणकारी. That which cannot be called back is called irrevocable यानी अटल. The state of being miserable bereft is called destitute यानी कि निराक्ष. A picture of person or a thing drawn in such a highly exaggerated manner of cause laughter is called caricature यानी कि हास्य चित्र. Belief that God is in every and everything is God is called pantheism यानी सर्वेश्वरवादी. One who breaks by the law is called transgressor यानी अपराधी. That which cannot be captured is called ungraspable यानी जिस पर कब्जा नहीं किया जा सकता. Reproducing or memorizing word of word is called verbatim यानी प्रतिशब्द. Careful in spending money, time, etc. is called economical यानी मितव्ययी. Study of insects is called entomology यानी कीट विज्ञान. Science of race and mankind is called ethnology यानी मानव जाति विज्ञान. Detaining and confining something is called internment यानी कि नजरबंद. One who criticizes popular beliefs which the thinks is mistaken or unwise is called iconoclast यानी मूर्ति भंजक. Impossible to describe is called infable यानी कि अकथनीय. Underhand device restored to in order to justify misconduct is called maneuvering यानी पैंतरेबाजी. The animals of a particular religion is called fauna यानी जीव जंतु. An emolu an emolument over and above fixed salary is called perquisite यानी विशेषाधिकार. An unexpected piece of good fortune is called windfall यानी अप्रत्याशित लाभ. Clues available at the scene is called circumstantial यानी परिस्थितिक. One hides away in a ship or passenger vehicle to obtain a free passage is called stowaway यानी कि बेटिकट यात्री. One who is a citizen not of a country but of the world is called cosmopolitan यानी सर्वत्रवासी. Circular building or hall with a dome is called rotunda. Rotunda मतलब होता है गोलाकार भवन. The use of many words where only a few are necessary is called circumlocution यानी कि शब्द बाहुल्य. A, a, cons- a consensus process of a change is known as flux यानी प्रवाह. An involuntary action under a stimulus is described as a reflex यानी अनैच्छिक क्रिया. Determine the nature of a disease is called diagnose यानी रोग निदान. Occurring at night is called nocturnal यानी कि रात्रिकालीन. Arrangement in order of occurrence is called chronological यानी घटनाक्रम. Science of heredity is called genetics यानी आनुवांशिक. To run away with a lover is called elope यानी प्रेमी के साथ भाग जाना. With much liveliness and sense of purpose is called jauntily यानी कि जिंदा दिल. Seeing something which is not actually present is called hallucination यानी मति भ्रम. The practice of having more than one husband is called polyandry यानी बहुपति प्रथा. Calmness and indifference to suffering is called stoicism यानी वैराग्य. Person who insists on adherence to formal rules or Literary meaning is called pedant यानी रूढ़िवादी. Words of similar meaning is called synonyms यानी पर्यायवाची. To be known for bad acts is called notorious यानी बदनाम. Belonging to all parts of the world is called universal यानी सर्वलौकिक. One who tends to take a hopeful view of a life is called optimist यानी आशावादी. Instrument to measure atmospheric pressure is called barometer is called यानी वायुदाब मापक. The practice of submitting a proposal to popular vote is called referendum यानी जनमत संग्रह. An object or portion serving as a sample is called specimen यानी नमूना. Not to be moved by entreaty is called despotic यानी निरंकुश. To renounce a high position of authority or control is called abdicate यानी त्यागना. Code of diplomatic etiquette and procedures and precedence is called protocol यानी शिष्टाचार. To struggle helplessly is called flounder यानी लड़खड़ाना. Loss of memory is called amnesia यानी कि विस्मरण. Release of a prisoner from jail on certain terms and conditions is called parole यानी कारावास. Feeling inside you which tells you what is right and what is wrong is called conscience यानी विवेक. An inscription on a tomb is called epitaph यानी समाधि लेख. To look at someone in an angry or threatening way is called grover यानी क्रुद्ध दरिष्ट. Pertaining to cattle is called bovine यानी कि गो जाती है. A person who writes decoratively is called calligrapher यानी सुलेखकार. Something that causes death is called fatal यानी घातक. A post with little work but high salary is called sinecure is called दायित्वहीन. A test in which cells from deceased organs are removed and tested is called biopsy यानी कि जैव ऊतक परीक्षा. One who compiles a dictionary is called lexicographer यानी कि कोशकार. Quibble is called prevaricate यानी कि वाक्शल करना. Words uttered impiously about God is called blasphemy यानी ईश निंदा. A person who has no money to pay off his debts is called insolvent and daridra. List of issues to be discussed at a meeting is called agenda यानी कार्यसूची. The study of insects is called entomology यानी कीट विज्ञान. Theft of another person's writings or ideas and passing them off as one's own is called plagiarism यानी साहित्यिक चोरी. The place where public government or historical records are kept is called archive यानी कि लेखागार. Speed of an object in one direction is called velocity यानी वेग. In a threatening manner is called ghastly यानी कि डरावना. A person who pretends to be what he is not is called imposter यानी बहुरूपिया. One who finds nothing good in anything is called critic यानी कि आलोचक. That which cannot be easily read is called illegible यानी अपठनीय. The process of deciding the nature of disease by examination is called diagnosis यानी रोग निदान. The quality of being politely firm and demanding is called assertive यानी निश्चयात्मक. One who eats human flesh is called cannibal. CANNIBAL यानी कि नरभक्षी. A person who is fluent in two languages is called bilingual यानी कि द्विभाषी. State of anxiety or dismay causing mental confusion is called consternation यानी कि व्याकुलता. A person who loves wealth and spends as little money as possible is called miser यानी कंजूस. Fear of water is called hydrophobia यानी जलान तक. Easily duped or fooled is called gullible यानी भोला भाला. Animal that can live on land and water is called amphibians यानी उभयचर. Handwriting that cannot be read is called illegible यानी अपठनीय. To feel or express disapproval of something or someone is called deprecate यानी कि निंदा करना. To keep a great person or event in people's memory is called commemorate यानी पूरा करना. occurring at irregular intervals in time is called sporadic यानी कभी कभी. A lover of books is called bibliophile यानी पुस्तक प्रेमी. A person who withdraws from world to live in seclusion and often in solitude is called recluse यानी सन्यासी या वैरागी. To agree to something is called assent यानी सहमत होना. A body of persons appointed to hear evidence and give their verdicts in trials is called jury यानी निर्णायक समिति. A situation that stops activity from progressing is called bottleneck यानी अवरोध. A person who dishonestly pretends to be somebody else is called impostor यानी ढोंगी. A violent storm is called tempest यानी तूफान. Careful और थोरो इंक्वायरी इज कॉल्ड इन्वेस्टिगेशन यानी कि जांच पड़ताल. फॉलिंग टू डिस्करेज वंस ड्यूटी इज कॉल्ड विलफुली यानी कि डेरिलेक्शन यानी कर्तव्य त्याग. अ लीगल अग्रीमेंट बाय विच इज अ पर्सन बोरोज मनी फ्रॉम अ बैंक यूजुअली बाय अ हाउस इज कॉल्ड मोर्टगेज यानी कि ऋण. अ मूवमेंट ऑफ पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी टू एक्सप्रेस एन आइडिया और फीलिंग इज कॉल्ड गेस्चर यानी हाव भाव. A child born after the death of his father is called posthumous posthumous child यानी कि पिता की मृत्यु के बाद पैदा होने वाली संतान. A person who is physically dependent on a substance is called addict यानी नशेड़ी. A cure for all diseases is called panacea PANACE यानी रामबाण दवा. A raised platform in building is called walkway यानी कि सायदागार रास्ता. A system of naming things is called nomenclature यानी कि शब्दावली. One who hates women is called misogynist यानी महिला द्वेषी. Able to use right hand and left equally well is called ambidextrous यानी उभयहस्त. Capable of being interpreted to two ways is called ambiguous यानी दे अर्थी. One who has narrow and prejudiced religious views is called fanatic यानी कट्टर. The action of looking within or into one's own mind is called introspect यानी आत्मविश्लेषण. To confirm with the help of evidence is called impolite यानी फसाना. A person who loves mankind is called philanthropist यानी लोकोपकारी. Full of criticism or mockery is called satire यानी कटुपहास. An agreement between two countries or groups to stop fighting is called ceasefire यानी कि युद्ध विराम. Excessively enthusiastic and unreasonably excited about something is called fanatical यानी सनकी. Intense and unreasonable fear or dislike is called phobia यानी कि डर. To be dogmatic in one's opinion is called opinionated यानी कि हठधर्मी. High sea waves caused by under earthquake is called tsunami यानी सुनामी. A voice that cannot be heard is called inaudible यानी जो सुनाई न दे. The absence of law and order is called anarchy यानी कि अशासन. One who intervenes between two or more parties to settle differences is called intermediary यानी मध्यवर्ती. To give one's own authority to another is called delegate यानी प्रतिनिधि. Body of singers is called choir CHOIR यानी गायक या मंडली. A thing likely to be easily broken is called brittle यानी भंगुर. An animal story with moral is called fable यानी कि नीति कथा. The study of ancient civilization is called archaeology यानी कि पुरातत्व शास्त्र. A disease which is spread by direct contact is called contagious यानी कि संक्रामक. Lasting only for a short while is called temporary यानी अस्थायी. A number of stars grouped together is called constellation यानी कि तारामंडल. An animal that feeds on plant is called herbivorous यानी शाकाहारी. Use of force or threats to get someone to agree to something is called coercion यानी जबरदस्ती. Murder of man is called homicide यानी नरहत्या. Strong dislikes between two persons is called antipathy यानी घृणा. That which is without opposition is called unanimous यानी एकमत. The plant and vegetation of region is called flora यानी वनस्पति. The killing of whole group of people is called genocide यानी कि जाति संहार. A remedy for all diseases is called panacea यानी कि रामबाण. The plants and vegetation of a region is called flora यानी वनस्पति. Related to moon is called lunar यानी कि चंद्रमा संबंधी. The art of mm, preserving skin of animals, birds and fish is called taxidermy यानी कि चर्म प्रसाधन. A paper written by hand is called manuscript यानी हस्तलिपि. Place where wine is made is called brewery, brewery यानी मद्य निर्माणशाला. Found all over the world is called universal, सार्वलौकिक. Something kept as a reminder of an event is called souvenir, स्मारिका. Scale used for measuring the strength of an earthquake is called Richter, Richte यानी रिक्टर पैमाना. One who practices one of fine arts is called artist यानी कलाकार. A general pardon of offenders is called amnesty यानी अपराध या क्षमा. Unestablished principle of practical wisdom is called maxim यानी सिद्धांत. The process by which a person or an organization reduces the amount of money it is spends is called budgeting. A figure of speech by which a thing is spoken as being that which it only resembles is called simile यानी उपमा. Very dramatic is called histrionic यानी नाटकीय. To secretly store more than what is allowed is called hoard, HOARD यानी जमाखोरी. One who does not make mistakes is called infallible यानी कि अचूक. A written statement about someone's character usually provided by an employer is called testimonial यानी शंसापत्र. Parts of an parts of a country behind the coast or river bank is called hinterland यानी भीतरी प्रदेश. An abandoned child of unknown parents who is found by somebody is called foundling यानी कि परित्यक्त शिशु. Art of writing for newspapers and magazines is called journalism यानी पत्रकारिता. A person who gambles or bets is called punter यानी कि जुआरी. Place that provide refuge is called asylum यानी कि शरणास्थल. Doing something according to one's own free will is called voluntary यानी कि स्वैच्छिक. A foreigner who settles in a country is called immigrant यानी अप्रवासी. A small room in a big house, hotel, ships, etc. where glasses, dishes, spoons, food, etc. are kept is called pantry यानी कि रसोई भंडार. Government of the people, by the people and for the people is called democracy. Something that is difficult to believe is called incredible यानी अविश्वसनीय. The height of object above sea level is called altitude, ऊंचाई. Group of people living together in a same locality is called neighborhood यानी पड़ोस. Always ready to attack or quarrel is called aggressive यानी आक्रमणशील. Fit to be eaten is called edible यानी खाने लायक. Unfair advantages for members of one's own family is called nepotism भाई भतीजावाद. A proficient public speaker is called orator यानी कि वक्ता. One who eats both vegetables and meat is called omnivorous यानी सर्वभक्षी. One who gains benefits from something is called beneficiary यानी लाभार्थी. Spoken or done without preparation is called extempore यानी तात्कालिक. Fluent and clear in speech is called articulate यानी स्पष्ट. Through which light cannot pass is called opaque यानी अपारदर्शी. The right under a different name is called pseudonym. Pseudonym ने उपनाम. A person who is well known in an unfavorable way is called notorious यानी कुख्यात. The first speech made by a person is called maiden यानी पहला भाषण. A man having no hair on scalp is called bald यानी कि गंजा. A man who wastes his money on luxury is called extravagant यानी कि अतिव्ययी. A geometrical figure with 8 sides is called octagon यानी अष्टभुजाकार. To injure one's reputation is called defame यानी बदनाम करना. A man who does not know how to read or write is called illiterate यानी अनपढ़. One who speaks for others is called spokesman यानी प्रवक्ता. Soldiers who fight on horseback is called cavalry यानी घुड़सवार सेना. Rebellion against lawful authority is called mutiny यानी विद्रोह. To officially take private property away to seize is called confiscate. Someone having many skills is called versatile यानी प्रतिभाशाली. Something which is imagined to be real but actually does not exist is called figment यानी मनगढ़ंत. Someone who scientifically studies the birds is called ornithologist यानी पक्षी विज्ञानी. A person who cannot make a mistake is called infallible यानी अचूक. One who loves all mankind is called philanthropist यानी कि परोपकारक. One who is out to destroy the government is called anarchist यानी अराजकतावादी. Liable to be easily broken is called brittle यानी कि भंगुर. One who eats human flesh is called cannibal यानी नरभक्षी. One who performs daring gymnastic feats is called acrobat यानी कलाबाज. A list of books available in a library is called catalog यानी कि नामावली. A style in which a writer makes display of his knowledge is called pedantic यानी कि आडंबरी. To bite like a rat is called gnaw GNAW यानी कि कुतरना. A place of good climate for invalids is called Centenarium यानी कि स्वास्थ्यालय. Speech for the first time is called maiden speech यानी पहला भाषण. A woman with dark brown hair is called brunty BRUNETTE यानी भूरे बालों वाली औरत. One who hates women is called misogynist यानी महिलाओं से नफरत करने वाला. The study of collection of coins is called numismatics मुद्रा शास्त्र. An office with a salary but no work is called sinecure यानी कि दायित्वहीन पद. Debt which may be easily broken is called brittle यानी कि भंगुर. Property inherited from one's father or ancestors is called patrimony यानी कि विरासत. Amount of money demanded by kidnappers is called ransom यानी फिरौती. Easy to shape in any desired form is called malleable यानी लचीला. A hater of women is called misogynist यानी कि महिलाओं से नफरत करने वाला. A large burial ground is called cemetery यानी कब्रिस्तान. To supply land with water by artificial means is called irrigate यानी सिंचाई. A co-worker in an office or institution is called colleague 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 यानी सहकर्मी. A man who is quite like a woman is called effeminate यानी औरतों के जैसा. One whose motive is merely to get money is called mercenary यानी पैसों के लिए काम करने वाला. The study of plant life is called botany यानी कि वनस्पति विज्ञान. Animals which live in water is called aquatic यानी जलचर. Instrument that magnifies objects is called microscope यानी सूक्ष्मदर्शी. One who is unable to pay one's debt is called bankrupt यानी दिवालिया. Exclusive possession of control of anything is called monopoly यानी एकाधिकार. The study of birds is called ornithology यानी पक्षी विज्ञान. One who loves or supports his or her country and is willing to defend it called patriot यानी कि देशभक्त. Likely to arouse envy jealousy is called enviable यानी वांछनीय. Existing only in the mind is called imaginary यानी काल्पनिक. One who eats too much is called glutton या पेटू. Talking disrespectfully of sacred things is called blasphemy यानी ईश निंदा. A handwriting which is difficult or impossible to read is called illegible यानी अपठनीय. Animals that eat flesh is called carnivorous यानी मांस खाने वाला. One who knows everything is called omniscient यानी सर्वज्ञानी. Inability to sleep is called insomnia यानी अनिद्रा. A list of name of books is called catalog यानी नामावली. Yearly celebration of a date or an event is called anniversary यानी कि सालगिरह. A person who is killed because of their religious or other beliefs is called martyr. martyr. शहीद. Man living in the same age is called contemporary यानी समकालीन. A list of books and writings of one author or one subject is called bibliography यानी ग्रंथ सूची. The conference that takes place once in the year is called triennial. TRIENNIAL 3 साल में से 1 साल में होने वाला. 3 साल में होने वाला. Meaningless language with an exaggerated style intended to impress is called rhetoric यानी अलंकारिक. The production of raw silk is called sericulture यानी कि रेशम उत्पादन. Politicians who are notorious for doing undue favors to their relative is called nepotism भाई भतीजावाद. A person who helps even a stranger in difficulty is called Samaritan यानी नेक आदमी. Has an evil reputation is called notorious यानी कुख्यात. A person who readily believes is called credulous यानी जो जल्दी से विश्वास करे. Enclosed in a small closed space is called CLAUSTROPHOBIA यानी क्लस्ट्रोफोबिया यानी छोटी जगह का डर. A political leader appealing to popular desires and prejudice is called demagogue यानी प्रजानायक. Science regarding principles of classification is called taxonomy यानी वर्गीकरण विज्ञान. Not allowing the passage of light is called opaque यानी अपारदर्शी. Operation of body after death is called post-mortem. MORTEM यानी शव परीक्षण. A group of 3 powerful people is called TRIUMVIRAT यानी कि triumvirate यानी तिकड़ी. An apartment or building in which each apartment is owned separately by the people living in it but also contain shares area is called condominium यानी कि सह अस्तित्व. A person who consumes human flesh is called cannibal. CANNIBAL नरभक्षी. Stealing of ideas or writings of someone else is called plagiarism यानी साहित्यिक चोरी. Detailed plan of a journey is called itinerary यानी यात्रा क्रम. A schoolboy who frequently cuts classes is called truant यानी कामचोर. One who cannot be corrected is called incorrigible यानी असंशोधनीय. One who hates women is called misogynist यानी नारी द्वेषी. A general pardon granted by the government to political offenders is called amnesty यानी राजक्षमा. A person especially interested in the study of coins and medals is called numismatics यानी मुद्रा शास्त्री. A person in a vehicle or on horseback escorting another vehicle is called escort यानी कि अनुरक्षण. Intentional destruction of racial groups is called genocide यानी जाति संहार. Prohibited by law or treaty from being imported or exported is called contraband यानी तस्करी. An excessively morbid desire to steal is called kleptomania यानी चोरी करने की बीमारी. A person who is greatly respected because of wisdom is called venerable यानी सम्मानित. One who is unaffected or indifferent to joy, pain, pleasure or grief is called stoic यानी वैरागी. That which cannot be believed is called incredible यानी आश्चर्यजनक. One who is all powerful is called omnipotent यानी सर्वशक्तिमान. An act of violence to take control of a plane is called hijack यानी अपहरण करना. Send or bring somebody back to his own country is called repatriate यानी स्वदेश भेजना. Animals that live in particular region is called native यानी कि मूल निवासी. A form of government in which supreme power rests with people is called democracy, लोकतंत्र. Murder of a brother is called fratricide, भाई की हत्या. One who enjoys inflicting pain on himself is called masochist यानी एक व्यक्ति जो अपने स्वयं के दर्द या अपमान को संतुष्टि प्राप्त करता है. To die without having made a will is called intestate यानी बिना वसीयतनामा के मर जाना. Not easily pleased by anything is called fastidious यानी नक चढ़ा. To play the part of an end function as some other person is called act यानी अभिनय करना. Handwriting which is difficult, impossible to read is called illegible. ILLEGIBLE यानी अपठनीय. More like a woman than a man in manners and habits is called effeminate यानी महिलाओं के जैसा. An exact copy of handwriting or a picture produced by a machine is called copy यानी प्रतिलिपि. One who thinks or speaks too much of himself is called egoist यानी आत्महितैषी. One who accepts pleasure and pain equally is called stoic यानी वैरागी. Having juicy or fleshy and thick tissue is called succulent यानी रसीला. The study of practice of dancing or composing ballets is called choreography यानी नृत्य कला. A set of three related works by a same author is called trilogy यानी उपन्यास त्रयी. Science of human mind and behavior is called psychology. A person of obscure position who has gained wealth is called PARVENU यानी कि परवीन्यू. अस्पष्ट मूल का व्यक्ति जिसने धन प्रभाव या प्रसिद्धि व्यक्ति प्राप्त किया हो. A word composed of the first letters of the words in a phrase is called acronym यानी संक्षिप्त रूप. The act of producing beautiful handwriting using a brush or a special pen is called calligraphy यानी कि सुलेख. Words inscribed on a tomb is called epitaph यानी समाधि लेख. An obviously true or hackneyed statement is called truism यानी सामान्य सत्य. To reduce to nothing is called null यानी कि व्यर्थ. A study of sounds is known as is called phonetics यानी कि ध्वनि विज्ञान. Written law of a legislative body is called statute यानी अधिनियम. A person who shows off her learning is called pedant यानी पंडिताऊ. A person who devotes his or her life for the welfare of others is called altruist यानी परोपकारी. The study of worms and insects is called entomology यानी कीट विज्ञान. A person who attends to the disease of the eye is an oculist यानी कि नेत्र विशेषज्ञ. Study of the nature of gods is called theology यानी ब्रह्म विद्या. That which cannot be defeated is called invincible यानी अजेय. A decorative handwriting is called calligraphy यानी सुलेख. A person difficult to please is called fastidious नक चढ़ा. A list of passengers and luggage is called waybill WAYBILL यानी कि सामान सूची. The line where the land and sky seems to meet is called horizon यानी क्षितिज. A handwriting that cannot be read is called illegible यानी अपठनीय. Verse written on a tomb of a dead person is called epitaph यानी समाधि लेख. Fear of closed space is called claustrophobia यानी छोटे और घिरे हुए स्थान का भय. A remedy for all diseases is called panacea PANACE यानी कि रामबाण. One who studies the art of gardening is called horticulturist यानी बागवानी विशेषज्ञ. A pole or beam used as a temporary support is called prop PROP यानी सहारा. A building in which एयरक्राफ्ट आर पार्क्ड इज कॉल्ड हैंगर, HANGER यानी विमानशाला। A former student of school, college or university is called alumnus, ALUMNUS यानी भूतपूर्व छात्र। A short story based on your personal experience is called anecdote यानी किस्सा। One who takes care of a building is called warden यानी कि निगहबान। Incapable of being approached is called inaccessible यानी दुर्लभ। One who lends money at a very high interest is called usurer, EUSUR यानी सूदखोर। One who lives survives on others or other lives is called parasite यानी परजीवी। Detailed plan of journey is called itinerary, ITINERARY यात्रा कार्यक्रम। One who possesses many talents is called versatile यानी बहुमुखी। A medicine to nullify the effect of poison is called antidote यानी कि विषहर औषधि। A person who lives by himself is called recluse यानी एकांतवासी। An assembly of worshippers is called congregation यानी समागम। A heavy consensus fall of rain is called downpour, DOWNPOUR यानी मूसलाधार बारिश। A public institution for the care and protection of children without parents is called orphanage यानी अनाथालय। An inscription on a tomb is called epitaph यानी समाधि लेख। A man of evil reputation is called notorious यानी कि कुख्यात। A decorative ring of flowers and leaves is called wreath, WREATH यानी पुष्पमाला। Shaking movement of the ground is called tremor, TREMOR यानी भूकंप के झटके। A game in which no one wins is called draw यानी अनिर्णित। The art of making maps and charts is called cartography यानी मानचित्रकरण। Animals that can live on land and water is called amphibians यानी उभयचर। Completing a period of 100 years is called a centennial यानी शताब्दी। A figure with many angles or sides is called a polygon यानी बहुभुज। A list of things to be discussed at a meeting is called agenda यानी कार्यसूची। A large number of fish swimming together is called shoal, SHOAL यानी मछलियों का समूह। A room or building for the preservation of plants is called ग्रीन हाउस यानी पौधाघर। Liable to be easily broken is called brittle यानी कि भंगुर। A principle or standard by which anything is or can be judged is called criterion यानी मानदंड। A person who is self-centered is called egoist यानी स्वार्थी। A word that reads the same as backward or forward is called PALINDROM यानी palindrome यानी विलोम पद। The firing of many guns at the same time to mark an occasion is called fusillade यानी बारूद की बौछार। A person who supports or speaks in favor of something is called advocate यानी अधिवक्ता। One living on vegetables is called vegetarian यानी शाकाहारी। An extract from of a book writing is called excerpt यानी अंश। Person who files a suit is called plaintiff यानी अभियोक्ता। A person who abstains completely from alcoholic drinks is called teetotaler यानी मद त्यागी। Long poem based on a novel theme is called epic यानी महाकाव्य, EPIC। One who lives both land as well as in water is called amphibian यानी उभयचर। A strong dislike is called animosity यानी शत्रुता। Take great pleasure is called reveal, REVEL यानी आनंद लेना। The practice of having many wives is called polygamy यानी बहुविवाह प्रथा। Not likely to be easily pleased is called fastidious यानी नख चढ़ा। A professional a professional soldier hired to serve in a foreign army is called mercenary यानी किराए के सैनिक। A collection of slaves is called कोफल, COFFL यानी गुलामों का काफिला। One who is always doubting इज कॉल्ड सेप्टिक यानी कि अविश्वासी। वन हु ऑफर्स हिज सर्विसेज ऑफ हिज ओन फ्री विल इज कॉल्ड वॉलंटियर यानी कि स्वयंसेवक। A person who repairs broken window glasses is called glazier, GLAZIER यानी कांच का काम करने वाला। The art of beautiful handwriting is called calligraphy यानी सुलेखकार। A writing or a speech in praise of someone is called eulogy यानी प्रशंसा भाषण। Loss of memory is called amnesia यानी कि विस्मरण। A speech made without preparation is called extempore यानी बिना तैयारी के बोलना। A speaker's platform is called podium यानी मंच। Science of practice of map drawing is called cartography यानी मानचित्रकरण। Motive और incitement to action is called incentive is यानी प्रलोभन। A short trip और excursion is called jaunt, JAUNT यानी कि मनोरंजक यात्रा। Speech which is not audible is called inaudible यानी कि ना सुनाई देने वाला। पार्टनर इन क्राइम इज कॉल्ड अकम्प्लाइज यानी सह अपराधी। अ स्टेट वेयर नो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर एग्जिस्ट इज कॉल्ड अनार्की यानी अराजकता। टू फ्री कंप्लीटली फ्रॉम ब्लेम इज कॉल्ड एक्सोनरेट यानी कि निर्दोषी ठहराना। एस्टिमेशन ऑफ थिंग्स वर्थ इज कॉल्ड अप्रेजल यानी कि मूल्य निर्धारण।